We are live now. So good evening, everybody. So once again, we are very happy to welcome you all to IMSK's weekly session. And today we have Ms. Shweta Singh with us. So she is here to share to us about the snapshot. And every week we present one of the industry veterans. And today, continue to every week. So today we have Shweta Singh. Over to you, Shweta Singh.
Yeah. Hi everyone. My name is Shweta Singh. Let me introduce myself. I have been working AI developer for past 5 years. I did my client-based project on the MetaSpark AR, and now I'm currently I'm participating in a YouTube trusted tester program. So that's me. So today I would like to So today I would like to say about the challenge which is going on. That is YouTube Effect Maker Winter Holiday Challenge. So I'll share the screen.
Mute level, mute level. குழந்தைங்க லாகின் பண்ணுங்க.
ஒன்றரை இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறது அதில்
ரெண்டு பொண்ணு ஊரா
அந்த 2 பேர் தான் இருக்குது. அந்த 2 பேர் தான் நீயா?
So this is the Lenses has announced the ongoing challenge, that is Effect Maker Winter Holiday Challenge. Okay. So the deadline is on January 5th, 2026. The prize pool is $10,000 and theme is Winter Holidays. So first, let me tell you about the challenge. Okay, if you see the YouTube effect, YouTube had announced the had created a challenge, that is YouTube Effect Maker Winter Holiday Challenge. In this, if you see that the celebration would be on Christmas, Kwanzaa, New Year Eve, and Valentine Day. Okay, you have time till January 5th, 2026 to register, publish, and submit your effect for a chance to win up to the $3,000. So here you have to register, yeah, get registered. There's a button, so please click the button register. Terms and condition and learn more button also there. This is a small video tutorial regarding the how to create effect in a effect maker. A small basic how to create effect video. So here you can see this video and you can create an effect for the challenge of Christmas theme or winter holiday challenge, or if you want to create an effect, so you can create an effect. So do refer this video so that you can get the idea how you can create an effect and ready to see your effect. So yeah. So let me tell you about this. With the effect maker, you can build many different kind of effects, including AI, gaming, interactive, makeup, camera lens, and background effects. Try out one of the templates available on the effect maker to try out the different capabilities. Just make sure you make it your own if you want to win one of the prizes. So in this basically AR challenge, winter holiday challenge, the celebration would be Valentine Day, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and Kwanzaa. And the categories they are looking for is AI, gaming, interactive, makeup, camera lens, and background effect. And you can try the template also in this to win the prizes. So these are the example or inspirations which you can create the upcoming for the ongoing challenge for the winter holidays. So you can inspire by doing particles, draw, AI image plus face paint, draw plus AI image, object overlap. So this type of example you can create for the effect of the Christmas of winter holiday challenge. Tips and best practice. YouTube is looking for fun, creative, and professional level quality effect when choosing the winner. Quality over quantity is key here. So put your 100% into making your best winter effect. So what they're looking is basically the fun and creative, like something different, but it should be fun. The most important fun. So here are the for the effect that perform well on YouTube Shorts. So there are the tips which if you're creating effects, so take a tips which what they are looking for this winter holiday challenge. And first thing is a 15-second default. If you see when you create an effect, so make sure of it for the winter challenge. So make the point of it that 15-second default it should be there. Okay, if it's 15 seconds more, then they will not that will not be considered. But as a game also, 15 seconds timer you have to be there. So this is the most important timing, 15 seconds. Quick and engaging, quick and engaging, camera optional, usable and performant. And here, the YouTube have created a Halloween challenge and Diwali challenge also. You can see the Halloween winners and Diwali winners. So I'll click the Halloween winners. So these are the creators who had win the Halloween challenge. So these are the winners, and then second is the runner up. If you see the runner up, third is honorable mentions. So these are the winners who have been win for the Halloween challenge. Okay. So here is next is Diwali winners. So these are the Diwali winners. These are the creators. In this what I call Diwali challenge, there were two type of categories that happened. That is one is interactive and visual. So these are the winners who had the creators who won for the interactive Diwali challenge. So this so if you see the winners, honorable mentions of interactive. This is the interactive category. And the visual is this one challenge who won for it in Diwali challenge. So this both Halloween and Diwali have been done. So now it's a winter horror challenge. So we want to see your effects. Okay. So here, these are the examples and inspiration. You can take it and you can create for the ongoing winter horror challenge. Okay. So these are the themes. So please see it, and we are ready to see your effects. Theme, yeah, the theme for this challenge focuses on the upcoming winter holiday celebrations. You can focus on the ones you celebrate and include your personal or local traditions within the effect. Take this opportunity to learn more about how others cultures celebrate the holidays, or show us your take on the winter solstice and its meaning. Be creative with, but make sure to let us know that the winter is coming. So this is the theme which they are looking for it. So basically, this the whole point is that the challenging would be on the base of celebrations. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Valentine Day, and Kwanzaa, and the categories will be the AI, gaming, what you call interactive makeups, and so these are the they're looking for prizes. Here, the prize would be in this challenge, you can win your share of the $10,000 prize pool, including special newbie awards for up and coming effect makers. So the first place will be the winner of $3,000, second place $2,000, third place $1,000, and $200 for 15 honorable mention. And here the one more new award have they have had created, that is newbie award for the new creators who have been for the creators who have been right now newly came and who had created more than less than 5 effects. For this is called newbie award. This is the one they have introduced. In this award, first place goes to the $500, second place goes to $300, third place goes to the $200, and so this is the prize pool awards. So in newbie award, make sure that if your effect is less than 5 effects, and you're new also, and so you can this will be the award you will be getting once you win. Once you win for the first place or second place and third place. Yeah, join the challenge button is it, and how to join. Like how to join is that first thing is that you have to register for this challenge using the form below. You will receive an email confirming your registration. Here, my already I have been registered. So here, what you have to do is they will ask your first name, last name, email, YouTube channel ID, Discord ID, and then you can register. And second is that, and you will give once you register, you will get an email confirmation that you have been registered for this challenge. Second point is that you have to go to Effect Maker and start creating. So you have to click the button of Effect Maker. So here's the Effect Maker, and you can start working. Start for the challenge, working for the challenge. Once you're happy with your effect, click Publish and make sure you to record on a YouTube short showcasing your effect. A video link will be requested during the submission process. Like if you see here, they will be asking your effect name, effect link, and here YouTube short showcasing your effects. So what is that about this? Once your effect got published, so you have to use that effect and try to create some demo video with the with the using your effect, and it will upload on a YouTube Shorts, and you have to share that link to that submission process. So in this thing, you have to clearly mention that once your effect will publish, so you have to once you have submit your effect. So I'm so sorry. Yeah, in this, what is that basically? Once you have to once you have once you publish your effect, you have to use that effect and try to create a demo video and upload it in a YouTube short, and that YouTube short you have to share the link and submit to the process in the form process. Then enter your effect into the challenge using the challenge submission form, which you will be able to access once you register. This is the one, the form you will receive once you register, and when you got a confirmation form. So this form will be there for you. Okay. So then enter your effect into a challenge using challenge submission form, which you will be able to access once you register. You will receive an email confirmation once you submit your effect. So in this, what happens when you submit a when you fill the submission form, you will get an email confirmation email that your effect got submitted. So you don't need to worry about it. So you don't. One fifth point is keep in mind you don't need to register again to submit more effect, and you are more than welcome to create as many as you had like, but you will have to submit each effect separately. So you can submit the effects many. If you want to submit 10 effect, you can submit a 10 effect. You don't need to get personal register for that. You can submit 10 effects with a different submission. Six, want to join in one or sorry, want to join in on or more of the fun? Join the Effect Maker Discord space by joining the official YouTube server and Discord YouTube for the onboarding instruction, and select the Effect Maker for what kind of creator are you, and questioning when joining. Already a part of the server, head to the pick your role channel and select Effect Maker. So if you have a Discord app, and you can go to the Discord, you can click the button of Discord YouTube, and there you have to follow the instruction. You have to first select the Effect Maker, and then what kind of creator are you, and then and already part of the server, head to the pick your role and set the Effect Maker. So this is the timeline. Challenge will start on 24th November 2025, and submission deadline is on 5th Jan 2026, and the winner announcement is on 22 Jan 2026. Judging, what the judge look for regarding your for winning the effects. First thing, idea quality. originality, user experience, user of effect maker. So that is judging looking for your ideas, originality, user experience, and your use of effect maker. Yeah, frequent asked question. Okay, I just want to mention you this thing very important. If you don't have a access regarding the effect maker tool, so what you can do, and you want to participate in this challenge, though you are in the according to the countries or region in which you have effect maker, but you don't have a got to access. So don't worry. You can email to the info@thelenses.com and share your YouTube channel ID with them. So they will give you the, if you want to participate in this challenge, so they will give you the access of the effect maker. But this has to be on this country and region. So that is my point to say that if you want to participate in this winter holiday challenge regarding in a and YouTube effect maker, and you don't have the effect maker website, or like and you don't have access of effect maker website, so you can mail them by info@lenses.com and share your YouTube channel ID. How to get the YouTube channel ID? You have to follow this instruction in this link. Click this link, and you'll get the instruction of the YouTube channel ID. Here, these are the countries which are you cannot take part, who cannot take part of this challenge. Okay, and how to take part? As I have told you before, also, first you have to register for the challenge using the form below. You will receive an email confirming your registration. Then you have to go to Effect Maker and start creating. Then after when you finish the finish the creating the effect, and you have to publish. And make sure one thing is important when if you publish and you want to submit your effect, make sure that effect link should work on your demo video of YouTube Shorts, and you have to share the link while submitting the YouTube short link of demo video, so that this will be required a submission process. Then enter your effect into the challenge using the challenge submission form, which you will be able to access once you register. You will receive an email confirmation once you submit your effect. Keep in mind, you don't need to register again and again to submit more effects, and you are more than welcome to create as many as you like, but you will have to submit each effect separately. So if you're submitting 10 effects, 10 effects are being separately have to submit it. And here, you have to join a Discord channel, and this is the Discord channel of YouTube. The link is here. You can press the link, and then you have to go to the follow the instruction, like questioning when what kind of creators are you questioning when joining. And already part of this server, head to pick your role channel and select the effect maker. Now, yeah, which effects are eligible for this challenge? Can I submit my older effect? Please do not submit the effects that are not related to a challenge. Only newly made effects that reflect the challenge theme are eligible for this challenge. Is there any submission fee to take part in this challenge? No, you don't have to have any no submission fee. Will I receive the confirmation that my effect has been submitted? Yes, you will receive an email confirmation once you submit your effect. In the case you had like to make sure your effect is submitted correctly or have any question concerning this challenge, please send us an email at the info@thelenses.com. So this is the they have given me your email address. So please, if you have any quick question and concern, so mail them. And if you not got an access of the regarding effect maker website, so mail them and please provide your YouTube channel ID. So this is the form of submitting of your effects: first name, last name, email address, YouTube channel ID with the UC. First letter, first two letter will be capital of UC. And how to go for it? You have to press the link. They will tell you how to go for the YouTube channel ID. And please add your effect name, effect link, and link to your YouTube short showcasing your effects, like demo videos using the YouTube shorts of with the AR effect link, and then effect description, and you have to pick the and submit your effects. So this is the basically. So any question regarding this challenge? Any question? Any question? Okay. Okay, fine. Let me know. Yeah, so I will start how to go to the go to the effect maker. So I will here I'll start. So my first thing I will like to tell I will like to introduce about the effect maker. Then I will show you a small demo of regarding the Christmas theme, and I will introduce even like a templates of effect maker in which they have AI transformation, AI randomizer, drawing, and many else more. So here, what you will do is that wait, I will show you the how to go for the effect maker. So this is the like sorry, just a minute. So this is the website of the effect maker. If you don't get any access of regarding if effect maker, so this is a basically login which only the creator get it. So if you want to participate in this hackathon challenge, so please of regarding winter holiday challenge, so mail to the info dot lenses.com, so they will help you to get into the access of this tool of the effect makers. So here's the website of the effect maker. Here are the all these things. First, just see, and here's videos of
You can now make your own effects. Effect
short
Maker lets you
videos
create and
how to create
customize effects.
how to create the effect. So this is a basically this is a basic video tutorial regarding how to create an effect. So yeah, so let's start. Uh, let's start it. So here, yes. So here, yeah, this is the website of the effect maker, and here you can create an effect and publish in this effect maker. So let me introduce this page. Here you can see the effect maker, create, manage, send feedback, your projects, new project. This is other project which automatically save. You don't need to have to save the save separately. This is automatically. If you create any effects and you forgot to you did not save the effect, so it automatically it's saved the project. This is the effect templates. Yeah, I have already like to tell you about this effect template: AI transformation, AI randomizer, AI adjust the quiz, drawing, fail look, notebook, doodle art, future reveal, fast food meal, old soul versus new gen soul. Okay, so this is the basically when you log in, so this page will be there. And so yeah, let me introduce every each how it works in this. First, this is manage. Manage is basically what is the basically this about is when once you publish in this once you publish the effect, basically when once you publish the effect, and so you so how many people have viewed your effect, how many people have upload your YouTube stuff with your effect. So that is the basically the statics and management of your effect maker of your effects, publishing effects. So here I will show you something. One of the example, I have published my effect Diwali cracker burst. Status is active. If it's not, if the status is not active, they will show you review or you need to revision. So my status is active. So and this is the date when you have created your effect. And here this is the view. 672 people have viewed my effect. Okay. And here this is the view. 672 people have 127 people have viewed my effect, have seen my effect, and the video they have used my effect and they have upload the video with my effect also. This is a small description how this effect made. And here this three button is that like for example this three button, sorry, if you see here there's called share. So once you share here and paste here, you would see the 3,000 people have used your effect in what type of what type what they have used your effect, and they have upload your videos according to your effects. This is very quite inspirational. You can get an idea how they have used your effect, and this is a very interesting part of it. You get inspired, you get to know what the taste they like it. So this is a yeah, this is about this thing. So this is a very good point about the YouTube effect maker, that once that, like, you can see how many people have viewed your effect, and how many people, how many which type of people have had used in your videos in upload YouTube shorts. So this is a very good point of it. So yeah, this is basically here, and this is all my effects which I have already published, and it's going on. So this is the views many people have viewed, and date act yes, your effect has been still active. So that is the thing, and this is a very interesting point. Okay, so now let's get back to the create. Okay, so we will start creating a new project. Okay, here, if you see here, uh, in this page, let me introduce let me introduce how this how can you can create effect, how it works creating effect. Here you can type any, you can save your name, save the file name here. I'm sorry, you can create you can add a name of a project, like project one. Okay, so this is the, you can add your name of the project. Okay, here this is the object and asset. Object where like in this you can see here, there this kind of icons are there. Okay, first I'll tell you what is object and asset. Object where every each but while creating the effect you use 3D model, images, body segmentation, text, so it displays here. Okay, and you can work on this object. Asset is all totally about the how many images have been uploaded. Here you can upload the image, 3D model, LUT in this assets. It's just a asset where you all your images are being saved. So you don't have to, it's like a, it's there. So if you want to upload two, three times, you can use with the help of asset. Yeah. Let me tell you about this. This is 2D layout. Okay. 3D layout is like this. If you see, you can move in this direction. Position. If, for example, I can take my image, one of the image. Wait, yeah, you can see in object there's my image is there, and asset already it's been have a separate folder regarding images. So same thing if it's a 3D model, so there will be the separate folder of 3D model. Yeah. So yeah, position is this way, x and y in 2D image, in 3D x y z. Okay. Here the rotation would be only z. Okay. There's no x and y. You can rotate also here. Okay. You can scale. Okay. Yeah, so this is the one. Okay, if you want to, this is a undo, and this is a redo. This is the basically your this is a save to your account. The project saves automatically any progress or changes you make are saved as you go. If you are offline, changes will be synced once you are back online. So the point is that you don't need to go and save your project. It automatically saves. So that is a very good point. Generally, you have to save paint time the project. So this is a good point that they have saved the project automatically, whether it's offline, the project is automatically saved. Yeah, once you change or it, and if you don't save also, it will be also saved automatically. So this is the good point of it. This is basically the effect limits. Okay, size and memory limits are set so effect perform well on mobile device. Try reducing asset resolution or animation frame. Okay, make sure of it. Your images size or 3D models, or if you're animating image sequence also, that size should be reduced. Okay, the file size should be 5 MB. Memory use is still should be till 50 MB, asset, I have used one asset, so this they will have displayed the size 51.29 kb, and memory is 2 lakh 95 2 sorry 295.92 92 kb. Other assets 11.8. This is the they if you are if you are uploading the images, or what if you're using the images, so every as they will specify the sizes and the memory. So the file size will be 5 MB, and used to be 50 MB. That's a very good point, that you have a 50 MB memory use. But the file size has to be 5 MB. And this is a refresh button. You can refresh once you change your size of the file. So and once again you upload, so you have to refresh again so that you can get the actual size of the file. So this is the one which is a good point of it. This is the change layout. Okay, like if, in this change layout you have a this is a basically like in Metaspark here, there's a patch editor. Snapchat also there's a patch editor. This is also a patch editor. Yeah, in Effect Maker right now the good point is that there's no coding. There's only a Visual Script code, and there's a node. So you don't have to go for coding, and like so here this is only Visual Scripting code is there. So there's no it's like a Visual Scripting code is like a patch editor in Metaspark here. So that's it. So you can change the layout. So here the layout change. Okay. This is the one where once you create your effect and you want to test your device, so this is a QR code. Uh, this you have to and this QR code only you can be using phone camera to scan and preview your effect in the YouTube mobile app. So this is the one where you have to use a mobile phone camera, and they will send you to the direct to the YouTube effect YouTube mobile with the with the effects of your effects, creating effects. So this is a testing device basically. If you want to test your effects in the device, so this is the QR code you have to scan, and you can see your effect, how effects look in your YouTube app to the mobile. Okay, once you're happy with your effect and you want to publish, so yes, this is a submit button. You can go and submit your button with this. So here, yeah, the image must represent under effect and be under 2 MB. So make sure of it. And then once you continue, write your name of the effect. What does this effect do? You have to describe something. What does this effect do? And visibility public, and then you submit effect. So this is the what it's how you can submit the effect. Yeah. So let me tell you about this. The icons and how this tool works on this regarding the if I want to introduce this tools, okay, and how it can work on this effect. So here, this is basically visual effects. This is basically a color filter where you can use a LUT. Okay, if you have LUT, so you can upload the file here. I can show you that this one, and you can upload it. It should be 512 pixel. Okay, and if you want to change something, your intensity, your colors, or you can try with this thing. So this is the best thing. You want to change something, you want to add new something creative in a LUT, so you can do this thing. Your LUT is there, but you can do more what do you call it, more like more change, more additional things in this thing. You can create more new effects. If you see here, here it is. So you can create more things here in LUT. So yeah, just forgot. Okay. So this is the color filter is used for the LUT. If you want to go for black and white or gradient, so you add filter, or you can use the LUT. Yeah, the good point is that they have their own basic LUT templates, so you can download it and you can do your creation of the regarding new in the LUT templates. Yeah, second is the particles. In this particle, if you see here, wait, this you can add a particle here. This is so this is the particles. Okay, this is the properties of the particle. You have a position and size, position, rotation, scale. Uh, Okay, yeah, this is the particles. Okay, that is the we call emitter also in metaspark here. This is particles. Here in this property, you have position and size. You can generate a position if you see here. Okay, and rotations. You can do rotation. You can do scale. Emitter shape. You have sphere, box. Okay. Then you have number of particles. Like if you want to create five particles, number of particles it will be five. And if you want to create, sorry, uh, like this, it will be happen. If you want to create 1,000, so it will be happening 1,000. So depend upon your creation, what particles, how many number of particles you wanted. This is the emission rate. It should be 100%. If you come to here, it will get 50%. It should be slow with the rates. So this is the emission rate. Particle lifetime. It should be if you want in particle lifetime, you want in 30 seconds. So it will be 30 seconds. Uh, if you want in 50, I want in 50. So basically, so it will be 50%. So the more the particle lifetime this. Here the image right now it's a if you want you can do this image also this you can add an image also. Otherwise I'm right now in the default with this. Collecting over lifetime constant or you wanted something custom so you can change here into red like this. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so I'm right now using default. Okay, blend mode, multiply screen, linear dodge, subtract. So if you want it in screen, you can do in screen. If you want it to multiply, you can multiply. If you want in the linear dodge, you can do in linear dodge. Like and you want to subtract, you can be in subtract. So this is how it works in the according to blend mode of the particles. Opacity over lifetime constant. It is there. Opacity 100% if you want it to small and look here, the opacity will be here small. Appearance, particle size over lifetime, you want in constant, you can constant. If you want in custom, you can do in custom. Particle size 10 size tends to be there. Range, if you want in range in 10, so you can be you can add that. You can play with it. It is very interesting. You can play with it, the size and range. So here, right now I'm putting 0. Okay. Particle rotation, you can rotate on the z axis. Okay, so that will be happen. If I want a rotation in 360-degree, let me check. Does it work? Wait. No, it is not there. You can use it for it. So I'll put it in 0 degree. So yeah, this is the particle size over time. Wait just a minute. Now here's the moment. Here initial velocity is there. So if you want into one, we can work in one, and you can look here 1 x y and z 1. And yeah, if you wanted initial velocity range 15, so I'll increase in 15 in the y coordinate and I'll try to put here. So I want into for 15. So if I want to put a range, so here this will be happening here. So this is can be happen. Okay, and then accelerations. I can if I want to put in 10, I'll put in 10. Depending upon it, you can play as you can go actually using a winter form of it like this. And I would like to you can play with it. So it's like this. If I want to go into this way, wait, just a minute. So it will go into the z axis. So this is what is about the particle size. So here, so right I'm putting 0 and so it will be normal. Okay. So this is the one, and I am right now putting like if I want, I can put into this. So this is the one. This is how it works. Particle size. So this is the two things which I would like to introduce. Second is the image. Okay, here you have image. Okay, you can add an image, GIF or sequence animation. You can upload image or select from the existing asset. Like here, I will show you. This is the asset. It's already existing. So when you add an image, if you see, if I want to add an image, the good point is that you can add the image also. So you don't have to go separately, upload the file and drop here. This image is there. The good point is that you don't have to go for separately. Image sequence, if you want to go for animation, so you have to add the image sequence. So this is the one. second is AI image. This is basically if like here, if you see here, the character of this person can be transformed with the AI image. So this is the one because this is, if you want, you can see here. I can show you. I want a clay look. Simple. Now I want to record a button. So look here. This is uh, AI image. Here, what is the properties here? You have to first in this AI. This is AI image prompt. Generate human or animal character like cartoons, creatures, doll, etc. Here you have to give your character description about this AI image, and there you can hear preview image. You can see here this is a AI preview image. I said clay look, so it not went to the clay look, it went to comic book. So I will go again with the what it called clay from this clay look. So now yeah, just wait a minute. This is the one. Wait, I'll tell you. Wait. There's something clay. Look, it should be. Yeah, this is one. Sorry. So this is the one. Wait, it taking the time. Then this AI image. So yeah, just wait. So this is regarding the AI image. Just one hold on. Just one. It takes little time with the. Yeah, look. This is the clay look. And if you want to increase the size of regarding the image AI image, so here you can increase the size. Okay, like I want him to like this. So this is the one. Okay, so this is AI image basically. Okay, and this is the visual script node. I'll talk to you about this thing later. I will I will write. I will talk this about this thing later. So here, this is AI image. Now I would like to delete this one and delete this one and okay, okay. And I'm going to change the layout. Okay, here. Okay, and here's the assets. Already it's there. My assets there. Okay, now your next is camera snapshot. Capture photo for the phone, camera feed for the photo but picture, candid shot, and more. So it's here you can use it in the photo booths and like if you want it, it's already inbuilt. You don't have to go to separately. So I want to tap so you can see the camera snapshot. And if you want to go for it, you can work for this effect regarding this. So yeah, I would like to change the layout and do this process. Then here draw on a screen with a drag gesture. So automatically, if you want to, you wanted something to draw or something like to create an effect with a drawing with the Christmas tree or something like the point is that you can draw this. This is a very good. If you see in this effect maker, you have draw template also. So it's a very interesting part. This is a very nice drawing icon is there. So you can have a feature of this drawing icon and you can work on it. Like you can work for the fireworks and many things. For example, the drawing is there. Okay. So this are the images icon. So image, AI image, camera snapshot, draw. Okay. I'll delete this one and I'll go to layout change. Okay. Now next is the face paint, face effects of the face paint, face accessory stretch. Okay, here in face paint you have to download the face templates. Okay, face reference. Okay, in here you can add a makeup, tattoo, and more to change the appearance of a face. You can upload the images or use the illustration tool and then use the face reference to help with the positioning. So this is a face if you want to go for makeup especially. So you have to download the face reference, and then you can do the makeup in that face reference, and then you can add the paint here with the adding the image like this. So that will be happen. Second is that face accessories. This is the one which I would like to tell you. Upload the image or 3D model to the add the accessories, emojis, and other decorative objects to the face. For 3D model, refer to the head reference guide for positioning it. So you have to download a 3D head reference. In head reference, it will go. You have to use the tool of Blender tool, and then according to if you're creating 3D more like hat, yeah, cap, Santa cap, or yeah, Santa Claus's glasses. So you have to first while creating, first test into the head reference of the 3D model in Blender software, and then you can it will be helping to give you easy position. And if you want to accessory, so this I'll show you one of the example. Like I want to add image of the accessory. So this is the you can do it. You can position it, scale it, and then you can position and scale it with this like this. You can do it. So this you can do it in this. Same thing. This if you see this one, this head model will be also in the head reference. So this is a good thing that you can use your head reference, okay, and you can position with the cap, like actual like cap, Santa Claus cap, glasses, earrings, many things. Like you can position or you can experience it, and you can upload here, so you don't have to go and make something separately for that. So yeah, so this add 3D model, you have to add, yeah. One thing remember, it should be the 3D model should be on GLB file and up to 5 MB. Okay, regarding the yeah. Now this is the face deformations. Okay. Sorry, this is stretch. Okay, let me introduce the stretch of the regarding the face effect. Change the portion of the face to mask it smaller, larger, or distorted. You can create your own set of stretch points. If I want a alien face, so I want to like okay, okay. So yeah, if you want alien face, you can deformation your face on an alien like this. And here, if you want to increase the, you can increase more. Okay, if you want to do less, so you can do it a less. Okay, so this is a good point. You can stretch. If you want more deformation, you can do the deformation here. So this is it's actually looking a little bit alien of it, or yeah, maybe angry man. So this is the one. Okay, this is a face. This is a very nice point that there's the face stretch, and you can deform your face. Okay. Now here is so yeah, in face effect, you have face paint, face accessory, and stretch. Yeah. Now in camera and segmentation, you have this called cut out the body, so you can apply the effect to the body or only or replace the background. If you want to add more bodies, so you can add more bodies. Like this is a good point. Like you can make a Christmas tree, or you want to use it in New Year, like like New Year crowd. So this is the best thing. And if you want to duplicate, you can duplicate it for the things. So, and like I want to get into the back, so it will be on back. Wait. Uh, yeah, make sure with when like just hold on, something wrong with this. Yeah. Uh, okay. Again, I'm trying it. I want to add body, so I will add a body. So here your body is here, and if you want to add multiple bodies, you can add multiple bodies by positions. So here you can make it as a Christmas tree with multiple bodies like this. I can show you with this like this. Just one minute. Like this, you can do it. and okay, and you can scale it out. Uh, I would like to go for more and same thing yet. This I can width and height to be 318. Control C, Control V. Here would be 318. So look, if you see it, the body and they are in same size, and then here you can again duplicate it. Okay, so like this you can make it like you can make it multiple type of bodies. Okay, I wait just a minute. Okay, and yeah, and yeah. Yeah, you can do it multiple. Or if you want, I can make like this. If you're not getting here, so mhm. Mhm. So yeah, it can be this thing happen. So this way you can do many type of bodies. You can make it in New Year like crowd celebration, so that can be happen with this thing. So here there's one body segment. So and you can add a background here according to the what called background here. So you can add a background here. So I can here add wait, so, wait, like here this one background, body background. So like this you can do it. So this is a good part of this. Okay, and then here camera feed, real time view from the camera without any faces applied. So here in this camera feed you can use as basically for the gaming purpose. If you want to movement your head and head rotations and all the things, so that this is a very good thing. You can use the camera feed for especially the games. If you want to create a game, so this camera feed will help you out. Okay, now yeah, this is the text. Okay, here you have to add a text. If you want to add a text, so these are the properties: position, rotation, size, log aspect ratio. Log aspect ratio, however, it will log into the that only text. So, but you have to make large, small. That is according to log aspect ratio. So you cannot go into this. If you remove the log aspect ratio, then it will independent. You can size any text of here. So like yeah, I'll do I can do the maybe Christmas. Sorry, Christmas. So this is the if I want to put log aspect ratio, so I want to decrease by 10. So this will happen on 10. So if you want to increase the size, the the ratio will be increased, but the size will you have to the size you have to increase. So it is already locked with this what called this content. Yeah, text content scale text to fit. So it will be like this because it fit to the log aspect ratio size. And then the color, if you want to change the color, you can change the color. There are the fonts you can go for it. Like I want to go to so this is the way. Then you have bold, italic, center, medium, sorry, yeah, center, middle, and right. Letter spacing, if you want letter spacing to happen, so it will be happen this way. More spaces are required. If I want more spaces, sorry, if I want sorry, if I want more space, I will go for more space. Okay. The more you want space, it will be more spaces will happen. Outline. This is very nice. I like about this outline. There are a lot of different colors of the outlines, and you want to if you want to increase your stroke width, so you can increase it. Okay. I'm sorry. It's getting yeah. You can increase the stroke. This is offsets x and y coordinates. You can do that. If you want to blur, you can make it blur like this blur. If I want to get a blur, you can blur, and if you want to put in opacity, you can go to opacity. It's depend upon your text size variable. Like you can use it in a you can use it in a Visual Studio Code. So this is the text about it. Yeah, this is 3D model. Okay, Add a 3D model GLB to add accessories, emojis, and other decorative objects with depth. So you have to add 3D model here. Make sure that the file should be GLB and 5 MB. And the most important in this 3D model is the lighting. This lighting is you have to require in 3D model. Add light to create realistic highlights, shadows, highlight on 3D object using different light to add realism, focus, or mood. So here, there are two type of lighting is there. One is ambient light and one is environment light. Okay. So these are the different type of environment light: indoor low, outdoor day, outdoor night, outdoor sunset, studio small. So these are the environment light, and here are the intensity. So this will only work when you use a 3D model, and you can see the lighting intensity. Ambient is used for only the basis of the colors. The more you want to reflect the color, so that will be happen. And this is a position scale you can use in the visual script code, how what side the position and the scale should be required. But here it is given right now in rotation, so we go for rotation. Like if I want in 90-degree, sorry, it will not be actually not, because I don't have a 3D model. So let me check. It's not be, so it's not been enabled. So, but basically, ambient light is requiring rotations. Light, there are two type of light: ambient and environment. Environment you we require in a specific sunglasses or many things, like So ambient light you can use it, or color of the lighting, because it's important. If it's dark, you have to put a yellow color. Okay, and if you want to make horror like the lighting with the Halloween cap, so you require the orange and sorry, red and little black darker. So that's the lighting. Yeah, this is one of the important visual script node. Okay, this is basically a node. Okay, with node with many categories. Here, when trigger, start and run the next node when triggers condition is met. Start, frame update, record, tap, drag, head gestures. Okay, like head gestures means like left and right, up and down. Okay, object tap on reset button. Okay, so that are the triggers are there. Conditions, you can add conditions like apply condition logic and or not equal, or not equal to, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, object overlap, object content position. So this is a very interesting object overlap and object content positions. In object content position required in drawing especially. Okay. Then just mat, time and utility, mat. Okay, mats combine and modify. Just hold on. Okay, mat, combine and modify number. Okay, you can have this add node, subtract node, multiply node, divide node, mod node, absolute value, min, max, sine, cosine, tangent, clamp node, random node, interpolate node, remap node. Remap node is very interesting, so you try with that. So this all are the mat nodes. So this other thing. Now, sorry. Okay, now here next is time and utility, way to run script and control animations. If you're going for animation, so this is the best thing. Uh, Transition, image sequence player, draw, get from list, replace in the list, remove from the list, insert in the list, get list length, delay, split vectors, combine to vectors, number to text, number, split colors, build colors, camera snapshot, create an AI image, effect time, reset state. So these are the nodes of the time and utility. If you're looking going for animation or you want to create more complex projects, so these are the nodes. Okay, variable. Okay, this is a very important node. Variable. Okay, variable enables storing information and state the effect might need to remember and use. Variables can be single value or list of values and can be variety of data types, number, text, color. So these are the variables. Okay, and how to create variables? This, so you have to, here this is, you have to create a variable. Here you have to write a name of variable. Number. If you want to go for number, you can go number. If you want to go text, you can go text. Boolean for regarding the signal values. 2D vector, 3D vector, colors, value type, single and list of values, and then false, and then you have to create a variables. And this is a very important if you're going for looping based functions and more complex projects. So this variable you have to require for it. So this is the basically visual script code. Okay. Yeah, the most important which I did not introduce about a preview. Okay, in this preview you can make enlarge, you can make small, you can play, you can pause. Yeah, like pause the button, you can pause it. Okay, if you want to reset the button and you want to reset the effect, you can reset. These are the view camera. Uh, okay, you can view the camera here. Okay, here it is the preview model like face idle, model one, model two, model three. So you can here it's idle, like you can see which other you can try this effect in this model. So this is idle model. Second is this is very interesting. Looking into the side, you can see in the positive part. Looking to the side is that if you see here and look into the side, you can see the especially the glasses that it's proper fixed or not in the face. So that is a good point. Or yeah, if you're going for games, so you have to see the it's working or not. Looking up, like yeah, if you're going, this is looking up model, and then looking down model. This is especially for the games. If you are going for games, so looking up and down model also there. The most important body. If you are looking for the body segmentation or something, other this other models are there. So yeah, so this is the basically introduction of about this how you can create the effect and how you can work for this effect maker. So any question regarding this? Any question? Okay. So let's start with the like I'll start the project with the Christmas theme. Okay. So I'll write here the Christmas theme. I'll start with a new project. So I'll go for new project. This is so I'm deleting it. Okay. Now I will go for Christmas theme project. So I will save the file Christmas 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 celebration. Okay. Yeah. Here if you see that now what I'm going to do is I want to use my face effect, a basic Christmas celebration I'm doing it. So I'm going to create a basic face effect. So I'll go for the my face face accessories. I would like to go to add image on here. Okay, face image. Okay, careful. So I'm uploading my face image. Okay, okay, here it is. Okay, I'm adding face images. Okay. I'm adding the Santa hat on my face by using face image. Okay. The good point is that how you come to know this. It is fit to the positions like this here X, Y, and Z position are there on 2D. So here, if you see here, okay here. So this is happening on the face image. Okay, of Santa Claus cap. Okay. So if I go extend, so here see. So you have to be careful while positioning the Santa cap on the head. Now I will add the mustache of the. It's not look here. You can upload the image also here also, and if it's already file in an asset, I want to add mustache, Santa mustache. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I'll increase the size. Okay. I'll increase the size, and I try to put here. Okay. So yes, well, okay. Just see that in position or because here it is. Okay. Hello? Hello? Okay. Okay. So here you can enter here. So here this is the one. Okay. Okay, you can add here. And then the mustache. Okay, and this is how it is looking like. Wait a minute. Yeah. Now I would like to add the background. Okay. So here I would like to add a background here. So I would like to add a background here. Okay. And then here, if I want to add some decorations regarding this Christmas celebration, so I will add this decorations here. Okay. Main thing, make sure of it like the file size would be on the width of 1720 and 1280 pixel, because in that image size file you can work in any mobile devices. So that should be make a point of it. So here I increase the position. Okay, yeah, this is the position file, and I want to increase. I can increase the size. I can increase the size. Okay. Now I want to add a snow. A snow. Okay. So I can add a snow here. Okay. And I can increase the size of the snow, and then I'll position it. Okay. So this is the one, and you can add a Christmas. You can add a what do you call it? A snow plant. So here the snow plant. You can add it here. The positions. Okay. Oh, yeah. So you can add here. Now you can add a snowman. Okay. So you can add a snowman here. Okay. So this is going to happen here. And then if you want to add a particle, so I can add a particles here. Then snowfall. Okay. If I would like to go for the So here, this is basically the emitter. So I'm working. So here I want to add a particle. So okay, particles here. Okay. So here I will go for the basically particle lifetime. I'll go by the using 15. Okay, and then I'll go to for the size over lifetime. Particle size over lifetime. Okay, okay, and then I'll increase the range of 15. Okay, then I will go for the uh, okay, yeah, okay. So this is how it is looking like. I want to increase it, so it will be okay. And then if I want to reduce it, I can reduce it by 10. Okay, okay. So here the snowfall, and here if I want to add a text, so I can add a text. Text here. I want to add a text. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Christmas. And here I can show you a basic step of transition. Basic step how it, you can use in Visual Script node. So yeah, I just wait. I will like to do. Okay. You can go to like this font, and I can take a font size 20. Okay, I need more. 30. I don't because there are size of it, scale the position of it. So I would like to go for 25. Okay, and here is if you want, I would change the color. I will use yellow, and this is happening. This is the happening. Merry Christmas. Yeah, I can show you the animations, a basic small step of animations with this Merry Christmas. Okay, so you can get an idea how to use the Visual Script node. So here the basic is that I will go for the what you call record button. I go for tab record button, and there what I'm going to do is okay. I want to set the properties visible. So yeah, let me tell you about object and properties. Here you get property, set property, get variable, set variable, head tracking. So I'm using a set property to make it visible. Okay. Yeah, if I want, so I'm making a property to get visible. So I'm using Merry Christmas. Okay, and on start, I'll put a property visible. If I want to go for transition for little animation, so I will go for transition. So what I'm going to do in transition, there's an X and Y coordinate. So X and Y. So what you're going to do, I want to go for by X coordinate. Sorry, what I call X coordinate. So what I'm going to do is that you see here the point is. Let me just hold on. Okay, you can see here. This is uh, what do you call it? This is X and Y. So here you see Y coordinate. So I'm going to take this one, copy it, put in the end value, and then start value. So I'll go for by start value, and then here start. Sorry, just sorry, there is something wrong here. Okay, here I want to go by transition. So here, okay, yeah. So I'll go by the what do you call it? Yeah, I will like to put the position on here. So I'll make a note of positions. So here I'll copy the x values here at the end of a value, and then I will go to the okay, and I will use the seconds of here. Got it. And if you want to check it's getting the proper in the end value. So wait, so you can see here by putting the x coordinates. Okay, there. So here is correct format. So I'll go again start value and put the so that the position will be there. So like this, okay. Duration should be on 10 sec. I'll make it 2 seconds. Time the more you do duration will be the speed of increase will be less, and if the less it will be the speed will be increase fast. So here, what do you call curve is there like if you want to go linear, easy in and out. So this is happening. So now I want to go for a start, and I want my text to be okay. So I'll go to set properties, set position. In this, you can use the set position in any of here. This is I'll tell you of wait May Christmas, and the property would be positions X, Y, rotation, size, style with height, color, okay, text, opacity, visible. Many properties are there. Many functions are there. So I'll go by positions of the x-axis because I'm using the animation of it. So here on change on start or end into value. So this is a way. Okay, now you can see, and uh, I want to hide the my Christmas text. So now you see is that I'll click on the button Merry Christmas. So this is how it is. You can work on transition, work on animations if you want to add animations, or otherwise your basic frame effect is there. Yeah, I can show you how you can test the how it look in devices. I'll show you how it look in devices. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. Here it is. Uh, can you see? So yeah. So this is how it look in devices. Okay. Not okay. It's not a reflecting device. Okay, fine. Uh, are we going to think? So this is how it looks in devices. Okay. Okay. So this is how it looks in devices. So you can see. You can try with any other also how in other model also like So yeah. So this is how it works. Okay, and when you record a button, so May Christmas comes out. Okay, so this is the one project, and you don't have to save here. It automatically saves. So if you see, and this is a thumbnail where automatically it saves your project here. So this is the one which I want to like to. This is a Christmas theme celebration, and if you don't want a decoration, you can like what do you call it? You can see here. I can hide the decoration also, and you can still anyway use it. Okay, now let me go for the templates. So this is basically the entire of the Christmas theme celebration with a simple and basic visual script node. Okay, yeah. Now I will go for effect templates. Okay, and I'll use the what effect makers of effect templates, and this templates can help you. I mean, like you can use in the hackathon challenge. So here's the effect templates. Okay, AI transformation. Okay, any image can be transformed. The transformation will be done. Any images. with the help of AI randomizer, AI had just a quiz, drawing, fairy looks, notebook doodle art, future reveal, fast food a meal, old soul versus new gen soul. Okay, I will give you a little brief introduction. I will give you a little demo of it, small demo, so that you can if you want to design or you want to change some design, you don't have to go to any of to create effect. You can use this template and you can publish this effect. Only the difference is that you can change the design also. So let me go to AI transformation. Okay, let me go to AI transformation. Okay, here it already is everything is inbuilt. You don't need to do anything. Once you record the button, once you press the record button, your image get transformation with the clay image. So this is a very good point. Now, if you don't want a clay look and all these things, so you can go to asset. AI image prompt is there. Okay, and you want Santa Claus look, Santa Claus character in your clay look. So what I will write it down is that I need Santa Claus appearance appearance and the background would be Christmas tree, big Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Okay, so you can preview the image here. Okay, here look at here, and the clothing should be the Santa Claus. Okay, it's going to be Santa Claus. So what I'm going to do here, let me tell you. First, you preview the image. Okay, see if this is your expectation or not. Yes, it is happening. Okay. Now what you do is that look, there is art style there. Went for the clay look. So here is from description. If you go for description, there's the style of the AI. Uh, One description happened. Okay, you have to try on with these things. You can play with it. So anime, there are type of the categories of the AI style. So which style do you like? You can see here. Okay, I don't want clothing. I want hair to be white. I want hair to be white. Okay, be white. So this is how it is looking. Okay, anime. You can go for cartoons. Chibi 3D, which is very popular going on. Okay, then you can go for the claymation. That is clay look. So I want. Okay, and then you can go for the what you call comic book. There are many categories you can see here of the AI art style. So which and you can try here. So you can go for it. So oil painting, pixel art, plastic toy, sketch, stylized 3D, vintage video, color game, watercolors. You can see all the art style, and you can choose whatever AI image transformation which style you want to visit. So right now I'm going for claymation. Okay, this is input post similarity. It should be kind of similar. Means if I put less, it will show less similarity. Means like this guy, it should be little less. It should be little less. Description should be similarity. What I have described, it should be very similarity. And then gender, skin tone, now see. So this is happened. What I did that I had used the hairstyle. Okay, I have unchecked the hairstyle. I unchecked the clothing and background. If I check the hairstyle and clothing and background, now you see here. So what command you have prompted, uh, that will not be there. That can be there. So this is happening. So basically, rated like that means like gender. It should be rated like in gender. Can make it. So gender is like if they can make out the male or female also, like here. I will show you. So they can make it out. And if I remove the gender and I again press it, you can see the effect. So they cannot make it out. So you have to put the gender and skin tone, hairstyle, clothing. So this is about the AI transformation. Okay, I'll show you how it works here. The back, if you see here the background color is black, so you have to this is the background. AI image change prompt in asset. This is the AI image where you have to describe it itself what type of appearance you wanted. Then here loading spinner. Here I will show you the loading spinner. Okay, this is loading spinner and body segmentation. This is body segmentation. Countdown, clay, look, and flash light. Okay, here once you record it. Sorry, I'll tell you how it works here. Once you record, the countdown size will be according to the width and height what it mentioned here, and then you can and yeah you need the variables. So loading spinner time will be on the zero signal values, and the countdown timer will be also zero. So you can use in a loop function of it. So yeah, once you record a button, the countdown begins according to the size and width. So this is set side according to fixed width and height. Then you have variable countdown here time because we require again a variable. So you can use it in counting countdown recording. If you don't use recording the countdown style, it will not display the countdown style according to the width and height what is fixed before. So here get variable regarding the countdown size with the adding input into vector with 2D and 3D, and it has fixed position size. So this is the one thing is there, and once you put the size, then once the countdown begins, so it will be visible in the position of the properties, and then it starts with the number to text of countdown. Okay, and here's the countdown. It will become visible, and the clay look becomes, and then body segmentations, and then it comes to the background. So it's like this works. So how once you record 3, 2, 1, this is the position at the snapshot, and the clay look is becoming hidden, and body segment also is there, and background is black. And here how it started. Okay, once your countdown set size fixed, so here you have a transition to 3, 2, 1 according to countdown, and once it finish the countdown then the camera snapshot create AI image and transition. So you require camera snapshot. So like how the camera snapshot mode is like you can capture the camera like this one. This one. So this is the camera snapshot mode. And the create AI image node is there, and then you go for transition, then opacity with the flashlight, and then loading spinner is there, and then it visible the AI image prompt like this one. And here this is the basically the what do you call transition of the AI image where how it, because if you see here, once you capture snapshot, then the image with the AI image, the position of the AI image, it comes to the actual position of the silent. So this you have to see and go through it, and then you can declare. Then you can create a effect of the AI transformation. So here this thing is there. So this is very interesting. You can create a simple AI transformation of any appearance you wanted. So you can do it. Yeah, the good point is that you can change the images like background, and and you can add the something in, you can add the image prompt of AI randomizer. If you see here, I will tell you the simple workflow. A workflow of AI randomizer is that, like, here, once you record a button and you tap it, so here the transformation becomes the chili. So here this is. Yeah, what you do is, if you want to go for it, you can go further with all the flow of it. Yeah, what you have to do is, if you want a simple thing, like if you want to for the Christmas theme characters, you can just change the image of the 7 characters of the Christmas theme, and then you can add the prompts of each, character Christmas prompt like this, and if you have to go to the variable. There, cycle icon is there. Uh, so here, this is cycle icon. So you can change the images and put a Christmas character theme, and then this is the prompt list. So you can add the prompts of different Christmas character theme. Okay, so and you can do, and you can change it, and you can work for it. So here, this is basically AI randomizer. AI had just a quiz. Same thing. If you want, you can change the images and add and change the image prompt. You have to work for that thing. So these are the images, image prompt, and this is the basically workflow of it, of the. So this, you can go for it. Just hold on. This is on drawing, which I was talking about it earlier. Just wait, hold on. So here, drawing. You can draw the images, like, okay, if I want to change the color, that you have to see how it works. So you have to personally work for it if you want to change something like colors and different sizes. Okay, fairy look templates. You can just a minute. You can change the this is the buttons of UI buttons. You can change if you want Santa, so you can use the button of Santa and a background Santa. If you want render button background render, gingerbread, so gingerbread. Main thing you can do in this creativity effects. And this is the notebook doodle art. If you have a in this you see there's a background segmentations, body segmentations with the in this you see a body segmentation. You need to keep here. So if I want to wait, wait, okay, just one. Uh, yeah, you have to work on this one. Notebook little art. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, these are body segmentation. So you can go for it. You make creativity of this one. So think about it out of box. What you want to do with this thing with Christmas theme celebration. This is future reveal. You can use in New Year celebrations. Future reveal. You have to just change the images and go for the. So this is the workflow of it. So go for it if you want for New Year's. So this is the best thing. And this is fast food meal. If you're looking for the something creative like cookies and Christmas cookies and or chocolates. So this is the best way fast food meals are there. Or you want to do something like character of the Santa Claus, so you can do that. So this is the workflow basically. If I record a button and I want to, yeah, you see it gets freeze. Okay, and then old versus new gen set template is there. This is very interesting. So if you're looking for the like how naughty Christmas are you, how naughty Santa you are, so you can use the old soul and new soul. So this you can do it a function it. If you see here, this is you can create this thing. So these are the templates you can use for the winter holiday challenge, and so these are the things. So you these are the templates you can work for the winter holiday challenge or Valentine Day or New Year. So so go for it, and thank you everyone for listening. Thank you so much. Any questions? Any questions? Just wait, hold on. Yeah, 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 yeah. So any questions, anyone? Okay, okay. Uh, thank you for, yeah. Thank you so much. Should I leave?